Assemble a fish tank filter. A fish tank at home is an easy way to add a peaceful aura and classic elegance in any household. The rule of thumb when it comes to fish tanks is that the larger the fish tank, the easier maintenance is. With larger fish tanks, the natural water chemistry is achieved and maintained with more ease since there is enough space and water for fish and natural microorganisms to grow. Small fish tanks, on the other hand, will become saturated with fish waste faster. Whatever the size of your fish tank, however, you will need a good filtration system to keep your pets swimming happily in their little tanks. Here are the steps to assemble a fish tank filter. Prepare the filter materials. There are various types of fish tank filters. Some are created with specific water environments in mind. For instance, some filters work well in freshwater aquariums while others work better in saltwater aquariums. The type of filter should correspond with the water used in the filter, since some freshwater filters will effectively suck out the salt content in water, which can be fatal for fish that are bred and adapted for saltwater life. The filter material is usually a spongy mass or granules. Take the filter out of the packaging and place it on the compartments in the fish tank filter. The compartments are usually indicated in the user guide, and are identifiable with the grooves in the filter wall. These grooves allow the water to pass through the filter. Sometimes, the filter compartment is accessible only through a suction tube. Attach the suction cups and tubing. Once the filter is in place, attach the tubes will suck in the water into the filtration compartment. Various types of fish tank filters have various types of tubing attachments. Some have large suction tubes that are covered with a light sponge to prevent small fish from being sucked into the filter. Others rely on normal water flow for filtration. The tubing attached to the corresponding holes in the filter unit's main body, and only need to be twisted or pushed gently into place. Next, attach the suction cups on the part of the filter body that will be attached to the aquarium's glass surface. Connect to power source. Most fish tank filters today depend on some type of vacuum to force water into the filter. Because of this, you need to attach the filter to a power source. Make sure that the power source is at a safe distance from the actual fish tank, and that the actual wires are waterproofed and sealed. Some types of fish will nibble at the soft plastic lining protecting the power cord. If you notice your fish nibbling the wiring, you need to tape it to the aquarium wall with waterproofed and non-toxic tape strips. Exposed wires can lead to electrocution for your fish, as well as circuit failure in your home. Make sure that you replace or clean out the fish tank filter's filter granules or sponge regularly. When replacing the filter material, take out only half of the content at a time. Wholly replacing the filter material can remove the useful microorganisms that live in the filter. This can disrupt the nitrogen balance in the water, and can make some sensitive types of fish very ill.